name is Aparna Shankar, and I'm the director of the Princess Esin Women's Education Center at Purani Haveli, Hyderabad. The annual Ladies Mela is celebrated every year to encourage women entrepreneurs, to help them showcase their wares, their talents, their businesses at home. So हम एक प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं जहाँ एक एक प्लेटफॉर्म में, एक इंस्टीट्यूशन में ये वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स आगे आए और जो घर से अपना बिजनेस चलाते हैं उनको और बढ़ावा दे, एक्सपोजर दे। और ये ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए हमारे प्रिंसेस एसिन वुमेन्स एजुकेशन सेंटर वोकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट के ECHE लड़कियां स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटी है, जहां the students are involved in organizing the stalls, getting the stalls booked, and ensuring that the stalls are conducted well. And we are very happy, and we always pray to the Almighty that every stall experiences a lot of profit and the ladies go home happy. And we also ensure at Princess Esin's Ladies Mela that safety is looked after, all precautions are taken to keep the place safe, neat, tidy and hygienic throughout the day, throughout the Mela, because the footfall expected is around 1000 to 1200 ladies and children and boys below the age of 10 years. We have so far around 65 stalls booked, and this time we have a variation where we have ensured that all the stalls are booked online for greater transparency. And stall is open to all the ladies in and around the city. There are ladies who may be baking cakes at home, they can come and sell their cakes here. There are people who are stitching things and embroidering things, they can come and sell it here. The Mela is for from morning 8:30 till evening 8 o'clock. Sorry? 6th. The Mela is going to be held on 6th February 2025. Yes. The entry tickets are 30 rupees for the adults and 20 rupees for the children. Yes, the speciality of the Mela is it is a fundraising activity for the institution, and the funds from this activity are used for the scholarship of the students, and this is done diligently year after year. Not only do the ladies who hold the stalls contribute, each of our institutions, units, like we are all aware that Princess Esin Women's Education Center is an umbrella unit. We have the Princess Esin Women's Junior College. They have their own activity called Treasure Hunt. We have the Princess Esin School of Nursing who are conducting an activity or a house called Laughter House, where you'll have a lot of comic characters come alive. We also have the short-term courses, the various short-term courses like the computer course, the beautician, the cookery, the tailoring, spoken English departments and the teacher training departments. They're all holding a game stall and something called the 360-degree camera. The Princess Esin College of Nursing is also holding another exciting game stall. So all these units also, through their activities, games activities, they all have tickets worth 20 rupees and less or more than that, and contribute towards this fund. So this is a big experiential learning activity for the students of ECHE, that is our early childhood education, who are mainly participative, who help us in planning, volunteering, in selling of tickets, letting the students in, conducting smooth flow of the crowd inside. So all these activities are undertaken by them to ensure that they get some practical experience. If anybody wants to sponsor, um, probably a snack or whatever that we plan to give for our volunteers, they are ready to do so. And in a short while, our stalls are also full. There is no place. We might also say thank you to the stalls. And today we are meeting all the stall owners as a courtesy to welcome them here and thank them for believing in us and who plan to come and showcase their activities. It's a day-long one from 8:30 in the morning till 8 in the night, and stall owners come and set up their stalls as early as 7:30 in the morning. We've also arranged for police bandobast, requested the electricity department for a smooth flow of electricity. We already have a generator backup also. So every year we look forward to this event because it's a big change for us away from our normal routine. And we have different courses, different experts from various courses, putting all their expertise together and make this Mela happen. I invite all the residents and the families, the ladies especially, you need to take your day out. Bring your children to this Mela, enjoy your day. There are a lot of eateries, fresh serving, fresh snack, fresh food, fresh juices, ice creams, etc., and a lot of games to play. There are ladies who are showcasing their wares, dresses, salwar kameez, suits, probably some saris also. So we have and cosmetics, artificial jewelry, fashion jewelry. So many things will be available under one roof. You can have. It's very different from the Numaish because it's all by ladies, attended by ladies, conceived by ladies, and set up by ladies. So, ladies, come and enjoy your day at the annual Ladies Mela at Princess Esin Women's Education Center on 6th February 2025.